Welcome to Sunway College Johor Bahru. Follow me on this campus tour. Let's check out the place where you will create your future. Right at the main foyer is the Information Center. This is where you first inquire about programs of study and enroll to become a student. Another important service available here is placement support to help students with advancement upon completion of their time here at college. Our auditorium accommodates up to 140 students and is typically used for large group lectures and seminars. A cafeteria is located on campus and serves local food selection for the convenience of students. The library has 2 levels. Ground floor is the book area and for individual quiet study. The first floor is what we refer to as the Learning Commons and is an interactive learning space. Students enrolled in the hospitality programs receive hands-on practical training in this facility, which mimics the actual industry setup. The IT Center houses 9 computer labs in various configurations and installed with specialized software required for the learning needs of our students. All along the main corridors you will find study spaces such as these. The multi-purpose hall is used for small-scale events, and sometimes as an additional exam venue. These classrooms are designed for 21st century learning and are mainly used for collaborative style teaching to support an interactive learning environment. We're here at Block B. There are 5 science labs extensively equipped to conduct the necessary practical experiments for biology, chemistry, and physics. Always a favorite is the Student Center. This is where you get to chill, take your mind off study with distractions such as music, games, or hold club and activity meetings. For assistance about education loans and financial aid, or to schedule an appointment with a guidance counselor, Student Services is the place to go for matters relating to your welfare and well-being. Despite the hot and humid climate, sports remain very popular with students, and here is where you will find them in the evenings, playing futsal, basketball, or badminton. Let's make our way to Sunway College residence. Located within the campus grounds, this student accommodation is your perfect home away from home. All common facilities are located on the ground floor. There's a 24-hour study area, recreation space, and cooking facilities. Access to the hostel floors are strictly controlled to ensure only authorized residents may enter. Let's have a look at a typical hostel unit, shall we? Thank you for visiting Sunway College Johor Bahru. We hope you have enjoyed this tour, and hope to see you soon.